Good morning, everyone, respected colleagues and participants. Welcome to this FKI monthly seminar series on the Computer Informatics 2024, Volume 13. So today's sessions promise to be both informative as well as inspiring as we explore the intersection of the artificial intelligence and the assistive technology. So I'm Ervin and will be the moderator for today's session. So before we begin, I'll remind everyone to keep, especially the students, to keep their microphone muted, during the presentation. And question can be posted in the chat, and we'll address the questions during the Q&A sessions after our speaker has finished with his talk. Yeah. Okay. Today, so we are honored to have with us Dr. Ediyanto from the Faculty of Education, Universitas Negeri Malang, Indonesia. So Dr. Ediyanto is a distinguished lecturer whose expertise spans inclusive education and innovative application of artificial intelligence in the assistive technology. So Dr. Ediyanto has made a significant contribution to the field of special education, particularly in developing teaching strategies for students with special needs. Now, his current research focuses on the AI-based sign language technology, and it's aimed at revolutionizing communication for the deaf community. Now, today's presentation, I was told, is titled The AI-based Sign Language Technology, Overcoming the Limitation of Two-Way Communication for the Deaf. Now, Dr. Ediyanto, we are excited to hear from you. The floor is yours. Go ahead, Doctor.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Ervin. That already introduced myself, and I want to say hello to every participant that attends in this seminar. And once again, I say thanks for University Malaysia Sabah that allow me to give my research topic to deliver into the student and colleague in UMS. Okay, before I talk about the topic about AI sign language, it's preferred to me to explain about the short talk about what is the special education, and also what is the definition about the hearing impairment student or individual with hearing impairment. Okay, let me start my present, and I will share the okay, do you see the
Yes.
point? Okay. Okay, let me talk about the disability first. This is the comparative perspective on global practice, and I want to give an overview for what is AI-based for hearing impairment people. Okay, Dr. Ervin already introduce my biodata. Then this is me, the lecturer in the Universitas Negeri Malang, and my research in the inclusive education and also science learning for students with special needs. Yeah, and I complete my doctoral program in field inclusive education in Hiroshima University in Japan. Okay, all of the participant already is the student in UMS, right, Dr. Ervin?
Yes.
Okay. I will share you about children. The first is children with special need in your community, and then student with specifically student with hearing impairment. This is of course our study, our subject or our topic is related with UNESCO Sustainable Development Goal (SDGs). Yeah. This project talk about how we can quality of education, improve our quality of education, and also we want to reduce about the inequalities. Yeah. And then also we need to make like a sustainable cities and communities also. By this kind of project, we want to support SDGs program. Okay, this is the like a definition about the individuals with disabilities education. Yeah. In 2004, this is like our declaration about the we want to give opportunity for all. This is education for all, science for all. We want to give education for every student without see the background of student. So we want to invite every student to have good quality of education. In this Individual with Disabilities Education Act, say about the every child with special need has to be given opportunity to attend free and relevant education in order to prepare them for tertiary education, work, and independent living. So we like to make this declaration become true by our study. Okay, this is the categorism of student with special need. Every country have their term, yeah, and Indonesia also have like a different term sometimes, but mostly we can categorize the student with special need with this categorized. We can say global developmental delay. Then we also have a student with learning disabilities, Down syndrome, and then autism spectrum disorder, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Then dyslexia, yeah, and sometimes they have also learning disabilities, yeah, disability. And another is gifted and talented. Then other also visual impairment, hearing impairment, physical impairment, and also learning difficulties. This is a different kind of learning disabilities with learning difficulties. So I want to mention this talk with hearing impairment. Yeah. Before I continue the topic, I want to know about your experience with children with special need and how they can community are being or how you can communicate with you in the class or something. Okay, I want to ask one participant, do you have any experience to study with children with special need or student with special need in your class? Do you have?
I personally don't have any of this experience yet. Maybe I see there's a name in the chat, one of the head of program, Dr. Florence. Do we have this category of students in our class or in any of your class, Dr. Florence? So far, just to inform you, Dr. Eddie, I'm not sure. I myself, I don't have this statistic.
Okay.
As the personal experience.
Okay, let me say my experience.
Okay.
Last time, 2017, 2018, we have one student, is we call it mild autism.
Methods. Okay.
Autism. How for us this is a very special case. Actually, we don't know how we're going to handle it, but what we are doing is that we just try to teach whatever is that right. For the learning, we just follow what you can just follow him or the mood or something like that. Sometimes I notice when I have sometimes this is you cannot predict. Today is okay, maybe tomorrow is not okay. So during tutorial, I still remember the C++ tutorial. He went late for the class, and then suddenly we know that something wrong. The mood is not good. It's like that. We just leave him. Okay, are you okay today? No, you want to sit to the windows, look at the look at the beach near the window, something, because our campus near the beach, right? And after that, take like 30 minutes, 30 after that, they come in front. Okay, now now I join the class, something like that. But honestly, we don't know how to deal with that kind of autism. We just teach or we give the learning based on his mood, him lah, something like that.
Okay, thank you very much, Suaini, for you sharing your experience. And of course, like I mentioned before, we have many kind of special needs. Then also we have also different kind of this different characteristic on every special need. So Mrs. Saini say that they have a mood, and they have also the characteristic. Sometimes we cannot understand why what is they want, and sometimes what they need. So this is like our challenge. But that I want to make sure they have a right to get the good quality of education, right? And this is I want to share about the one kind of special needs. This is hearing impairment. Yeah, sometimes say it hearing loss or something. And then this is I quote it from UNESCO. Yeah, this is over 5% of world population, or 430 million people. Yeah, this is like a suppressed amount, right? 430 million people required rehabilitation to address the disabling hearing loss. Yeah, including 34 million children. So it's like this is like a big problem for our education. If our children have a hearing loss, yeah. So it's mean we need to make an improvisation or innovation in education to make they or them to join with in our class, and we can give the good quality of education in the class. So approximately and based on the calculating of the UNESCO data, it is estimated that by 2050, over 700 million people, yeah, or 1 in every 10 people will have disabling hearing loss. So it's like this is like will be our problem in the education. So that's why we need to make an improvisation, make an innovation in the this kind of specific topic. And the next is disabling hearing loss refers to hearing loss greater than 35 decibels, yeah, decibels. And in the better hearing air, nearly 80% people with disabling hearing loss live in low and middle income countries, yeah, and the prevalence of hearing loss increase with age among those older than 60 years. 60 years of 25% are affected by disabling hearing. So that's kind of suppressed amount, suppressed of prevalence. So we need to make innovation in this kind of topic. So the problem of I will continue to the next PPT. Yeah. Okay. Do you see the next my next PPT?
Yes.
Yes, this is development of AI based sign language technology to solve a barrier in communication. Of course, this is the prevalence that I mentioned before. So the problem student with a special need, especially for student with hearing impairment. This is talk about the communication. Yeah, the person with hearing loss, they cannot catch our sound, yeah, good sound, yeah, with good sound with good, and then they sometimes cannot say word by good, so they just can read the text and also just communicate with sign language. So this is the data that I mentioned before. This is the based on the World Health Organization record the number of deaf people in the world of 466 million, yeah, people, yeah, accounting for 6.1% of the world population. So an estimate in the 2050, this prevalence one of 10 people will be have a hearing impairment case. Yeah, 93% are adults and 7% are children. This is about the Indonesian data. This is a prevalence in Indonesia data according on the Statistics Center, yeah, Institute of Statistics Center in Indonesia in 2022. The number of the people was almost 5 million people, yeah, and then over than 200,000 people totally deaf, so they cannot catch our sound. Sometimes then more than 600 million thousand people are hard of hearing. So we concern to it to help them can communicate each other. Of course, also the student with a special need, hearing impairment case can get the education in the class, good education in the class. So why we need to make a solution about this communication? Yeah, because of course language is sound such kind of locally, yeah, locally term, yeah, and in Indonesia we have more than 700 languages, yeah. Then in Indonesia, we have more than 400 regencies and more than 90 cities. So if we can, like one cities have one language, approximately we have 500 and 14 types of language. And based on our culture language data, we have 700 local language. So this is have a similarity also with sign language. So we have in Indonesia, we have more than 700 sign language, kind of sign language. And also, if we can count in the words, in the word, this is more than 7,000 language in the world. So it means approximately we have more than 7,000 also sign language in the world. So this is such kind of our challenge. Why we want to develop AI sign language? Yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, language different is communication. Like us, yeah, like me, if I want to go to Malaysia, yeah.
Kak Diana boleh tolong mute tuh Kak Diana.
Okay. Like me, if I go to Malaysia, go to Thailand, or go to another countries, we have a problem in communication, right? Like me, I need to can know about the Malaysian language, know as English, know if I go to Japan, I also must be know about the Japanese language or something. This is like our barrier in normal life. This is also happen with the student with special need, of course with us with individual with hearing impairment. Yeah, like us, we can hear the sound. Yeah, we can hear everybody talk with us. Yeah, but for the student with special need or individual with special need, they cannot hear that what we talk. Yeah, so this is the big problem. Yeah, so even they in the individual group like hearing groups, they cannot communicate, and also with deaf individual that they cannot communicate. Like us also, if we go to Brazil, go to Europe or something, we need to change our language, something, yeah, for understand what they say something. Yeah. Yeah, this is the problem. Yeah, language different in communication, and also leading to yeah. Of course, because the communication is very challenge for us. So if we cannot communicate, they will be make the another problem in the social, in politics, in health, in environment, in humanity, in culture, in technology, in economy, in jobs, in education, in their family, in community, in science. Also, there are many problems that will be happen if they are cannot communication each other. So this problem is already mentioned by the another research. Yeah, and many researchers already make like innovation for reduce the gap about the communication between individual with special need, especially for hearing impairment, hearing impairment. Like smart gloves, yeah, many researchers using smart gloves to know about the sign language, yeah. Some researcher also using smart glasses, yeah, and also apart from Android, yeah, can solve the problem. Why? Yeah, because this This technologies, this is cannot like improve. Yeah, they are like a fixed set or static instrument or static tools. Yeah, they cannot improve. We cannot make like update if there are any like any modification or any broken or something. They cannot uh, repair by themselves. So and we have a solution. Yeah, we have solution. We have like one tools in the world that can help us to communicate each other every place in the world. Yeah, we can use Google Translate or another tools like similar with Google Translate is like word tools. Yeah, to give us can communicate with each other in around the world. Yeah. So we think, yeah, we think how we can use Google Translate or idea of Google Translate that can communicate in every people can communicate everywhere, every time with just with their smartphone. They can communicate with another language without barrier. Yeah. So we want to like make an instrument or tools such as Google Translate to facilitate communication between individuals using different language around the world. This is our idea. This is our project, the first our project. This is already done about the prototype. Yeah, the prototype. We develop the translator, yeah, translator application such as a Google Translate. We make like AI. We input the data and then make give it in the Android or iOS, so they can install and then they just say in the by sign language, and then the output will be in the sound and the text also in different language. If sometimes if the student with individual with special need go to France, they just use the sign language, and then the person that communicate with this that person is can understand by the output sound and text. Let me translate about the first project. This is the first prototype we already done about this. Then hopefully this year we can expand and give the more word in the application. Then can launch the more uh, more data in the and more language also in the public. The project one is develop a translator application such as Google Translate to facilitate communication between individuals using different languages. Using this application, individual can input their original message, and the application will translate it into the desired language, enabling better understanding and communication. This is the first. This is the user. Yeah, this is a video. Yeah, we input, and this is extraction of feature, and the AI will be processed. They will know the picture and also the movement. Yeah, movement, and also with the moving on hand. Yes, and then process the extraction about the feature. And we have our feature sign language. Yeah, this is input the text or sound or text. This is data annotation. Also after that, this is processed to the machine learning. we training the model and also model representation by sign language. After that, we translate to the text and also in the sound. This is our project. And the second project is we want to invite the community of this community in every city, because every language in the every city is like a very different. If I go from Malang, it's Java to the Jakarta. This is a different language. So they also have their own language. In sign language also different. So we need to invite the community to input and training the machine learning, the AI. So this is the user. This is like different different tools, different instrument. This is the for the user, and this is for the community. That input the data or training the machine. This is the register of the community. And then we verification, and then we admin. In our system will be give the what your kind of language, and then what is your sign language, and then they input the data by themselves, and then in our system will be update and add with their language. So after that, the data will be saved in the store, in the store, in the cloud. Yes, this is I will also invite the project, the next project. I also invite USUMS, especially Dr. Ervin to join with this project. This is like a long way project, long-term project. The development and implementation phase, and then we already have a first prototype. I will be show the prototype after this seminar, and then we need to train the machine every time, and then improve the version, and after that we can give the maximum goals, to reduce the gap in communication between people with disabilities, hearing impairment disabilities. And then we have a long way sustainable planning project. Then how this program will be work, I will explain also in another slide, because this is like a separate parties of the project. We try to make a prototype or something, and this one is the first prototype. The first prototype that we made, that already done in this year. And then of course we need to improve this prototype to be can be used in public, and we need to make a validity and efficiency of the prototype or something. And hopefully this year will be run and smoothly, and we can launching it into the public. This is the information, the same information that already I talked before. Then it's also this is the of course student in informatics or engineering is very very good know about this kind of this kind of EI. Yeah, this is the first prototype. This is aims to bridge the communication gap between the individual and the hearing population by translating sign language gesture into spoken word in real time. This is sign language. This is the first prototype that we already done. Sign language give people, yeah, in the program already included in the smartphone, sign language people, and the output in audio text, and then hearing impairment just say something that they can communicate each other. The system uses computer vision to capture hand gesture and identify them as sign language using a trained machine learning model. Once a sign is recognized, the system converts it into natural sounding speech or text, allowing the deaf user to speak through the device. Yeah, this is our system. Yeah, system architecture. This is a hand image capture from camera. This is we just start with the hand. Yeah, with the hand, and the next we need to improve it to the point in the our hand, also in our hand, our hand from the finger until the bahu. Yeah. This is the first. And hand image capture camera. The AI will identify the palm on hand and mark the 3D hand key point on the palm. This is the coding. Yeah, extract hand landmark coordinates. Yeah, and we need to add the indicators to the hand. Yeah, hand from the finger. Yeah, from the finger. And then training the AI model, the extracted hand landmark are then used into training the machine learning models. The models learn how different hand sign correlate and detected key point landmark to perform sign language translation. This is the some figure, hand gesture recognition. Yeah, we can know by AI. Yeah, like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can see the models. Yeah. And also this person is we have already get the permission. This person is my student. Yeah, my student. She have hearing impairment. Yeah, she have barriers in hearing impairment. She cannot hear my voice, but she have a good communicate with sign language. So I invite she to join in this project. Like this one, eat, yeah, writing, car, yeah, house, book, yeah. The AI will be trained, yeah. The system already trained by people with hearing impairment. This is a machine learning approach, yeah. So classification model, random forest is used to classifying the detected hand gestures into corresponding sign language. Robust to noise data and work well with the real-time input, efficient in multi-class classification for hand gesture sign like that. This is data set. This is like decision 3.1, yeah, decision 3.2, decision 3.3, and then the conclusion with a majority voting in averaging, and we the output in final result the system will be output in the video or voice, text or voice in what they select the language. And based on the testing in the result, testing pass, real world testing conducted with participants from the diff community, and evaluation based on accuracy, machine science to correct outputs, speed, real-time response processing time. Yeah, unfortunately, our first prototype have problem with the time of recognize the stand language. Yeah, the machine can give the conclusion in 2 seconds. Yeah, we need improve this machine. Yeah, like 1 second have like 4 until 5 words, so they can like they can follow the what we talk in like a short time. Yeah, 1 second they have four words until 5 words. This is will be good AI, yes, sign language. And until now we just have 1 word in 2 seconds, so this is like not good yet in the if we go this into public. So we need to collaborate with another researcher to improve this machine. Yeah. But for the accuracy, we have 90%, yeah, accurate, yeah. So and yeah, speed real-time transaction with less than 1 second delay, yeah. But we now just in 2 second delay, yeah. So this is too big, yeah, for us. So we need to improve in this year. Yeah, for the development, so we need to like try the machine learning. We need more site and gesture in around the world. Of course, in Malaysia also, in Indonesia, and then we can go to make a big to be a Google Translate. So we need to every sign language in around the world. And also improving speed and accuracy, and then support the regional variants. I think that's all for my presentation. If you have any question or something, you can ask to me, and I will give the time to back to moderator, Dr. Ervin.
Okay, thank you very much for the presentation, Dr. Eddie. So now we have reached the Q&A session. I would like to invite whoever that have questions regarding the topic that has been presented. I welcome any question. Someone want to say something? Okay, so maybe Dr. Eddie, while we wait for some, while we wait for someone who probably they have question and they are arranging the sentence, maybe I can add you one question first. Dr. Eddie, could you elaborate on the main challenges that your research team faced when developing the algorithm in order to recognize and interpret sign language gesture in real time? And did you overcome these technical hurdles, these technical challenges?
Okay. In the step of development of this sign language, we have many challenge, yeah, and many problem, yeah, in develop this machine, because this project we don't have funding, yeah. In the we already try to get the funding for this project, but unfortunately we don't get any funding to or can give, because they say this is like a big project, yeah. So the funding cannot allow not enough, yeah, to make this project can be true. Yeah. So we use our own funding to develop the first prototype. Yeah. So the challenge is we need to try like we like make a good timing. Yeah, good timing to invite my student, and they she will like input the word, every word. Yeah, because every word the machine, every word like one word like me, yeah, saya will be tried in 100 until 150 times, yeah, to be accurate. Yeah. So like take a long time to make one word train in the system. And after that, until now, the prototypes is only have 28 words, yeah, 28 words only, yeah, that very popular or very common use, like I, yeah, and go, and eat, book, yeah, something that so very small or very uh, very small word, very the count of the amount of word is so small, only 28 words until now. So next we need to add more words, yeah, in this machine, yeah, in this AI sign language. And another challenge is sometimes we need to bring the like facilities, yeah, like if we want to get the community to join with in our project, we need to like send them the instrument or tools, yeah, like camera and program or something. This is like a big challenge for us to invite every people to join in our project. Of course, the principle of the big problem is of course, is our about the funding in this project. Yeah, I think this is the answer, Dr. Ervin.
Oh yeah, maybe one more from me. Dr. Eddie, could
Yeah.
you share some what inspired you to start working on the sign language technology project in the beginning?
In the
What
beginning.
what inspired you?
Yeah. Yeah. That's I mentioned before, because education is for all, right? Education is for all. Then I saw the data, yeah, in the World Health WHO, yeah, World Health Organization, and also UNESCO. Now, prevalence of hearing impairment people grow up. Yeah, grow up. Now, one of 6%, yeah, no, 66%, 6%, yeah, 6%, 6% is have have uh, have problem in the hearing. Yeah, have a problem in hearing. So of course, and then the grow up of inclusive education in every country also grow up. So it's mean, yeah, it's mean the student with disabilities, especially student with hearing impairment, also include in the class, inclusive class. Yeah, every place. Yeah, of course, also in like in our university. Yeah, many students with hearing impairment have a problem with communicate. Yeah, so that's why I want to make this kind of project. Yeah, in the first I want to like make a like smart glove, but because they cannot improve and fix fix tools, yeah, cannot improve, cannot update it. So I want to make something that can grow, can improve, can repair, can update every time. So I choose the AI sign language. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so far, I think from your project, it seems like it's more like a translation of the sign language, right? But
Yeah.
what about in reverse? Is it, I think it's possible, but have you thought about it? Like, can your project be converted into something like teaching tools for
Yeah.
those
Yeah.
like us? I mean, like people without hearing impairment?
Yeah. Of course, in the class, I can imagine how this program can be usable. Yeah. Like me, I as a teacher, if they have a student with a hearing impairment in the class, I cannot communicate well with every class, especially for student with hearing impairment. Yeah. So if the tools, the handphone, smartphone, uh, have this program, yeah. So the student just communicate with the smartphone, then the smartphone will be changed in the voice. Yeah. So the I think this is faster than if we use text. Yeah. So this they just like make a sign language and smartphone will be changed to the voice. Yeah. So the teacher can be hear what the hearing impairment student wants. Yeah. About something. Yeah. So they can communicate each other. I think this is the very good tools if we use it in the class.
Okay, thank you very much, Dr. Eddie. So any question from the floor? Any user wish to ask things that are related? Probably it might not directly related to the topic, but slightly related to hearing impairment and how technology can assist in this kind of situation. The user may also, you can also type your question in the chat box if you are too shy to speak, especially the students. Go ahead and chat any question. Yeah, this one is for students. Yeah, if you are too shy to speak, you can type in your question. But in the meantime, I thought about one more question to Dr. Eddie. Have you ever thought of translating animals' gesture? Is it possible with this technology to be adapted? Animal gesture, like
Animal
farm,
gesture.
whatever. One way to identify whether they're under stress, or they're hungry, or there is something wrong with the animal, and so on.
Yeah. Of course, in another part that my research also say about the emotional, emotional of student, and then also say about the depression of student also we have, and then also many things we can do with AI, but of course this is like not related with my expertise, but if they have connection with the like student, teaching, learning or something, I think this is many things that we can do with the AI.
Dr. Eddie, we have one question in the chat. Maybe I can read it for you. Were there any challenges in collecting data for training, especially for less commonly used sign language? That is question number one. Question number two, can the system be adapted for multilingual sign language to ensure global accessibility?
Yeah. Yeah, Dr. Ervin, thank you for the question. This is the first prototype. Yeah, I will show you the prototype, right? Let me open the first okay, I will show you. Let me share again the okay, this is the first prototype. Do you see? Yeah. Okay, this is the prototype. We just have this kind of language in Indonesia. Yeah, but the output can be translated into France, English, Arabic. Yeah, this is input. Yeah, so we can improve in this input. Yeah, if the community, yeah, if after this project, the community can collaborate with us, so we can add more sign language in this part. Yeah, in this part. Yeah. So if any Malaysian sign language join with this project, we can add input in this input. Yeah. So let's say we use sign language in Indonesia. Yeah. This is Bisindo. Yeah, Bisindo. Yeah. I think this the first of step after after this. I think this need to close the camera and. Okay, I think because this I used the camera into yeah, I think I cannot show because I use the two device in camera in
It's okay.
box and also in, I think this is if we start camera they will be like show our motion and then they have a prediction and we can translate in many languages. Yeah. But the problem we in this kind of prototype, one word will be catch in 2 seconds. So I think we need to 1 second approximately have 4 words or until 5 words. Yeah, so we can translate it. Yeah, this is the. So the next, yeah, we need to improve this program, yeah, to the another language. The challenge is we need to like make permission to the community and what the kind of the words that will be the input or something, and then we need to like coding the word that will be input in this program or something. This is many challenges that will be happen in this is sign language. So for the global sign language, I think it can be can use every country, yeah, because we have input in many language in sign language and also output in many language in around the world. I think this.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Eddie. I think we have approached the end of our session since 1 hour has passed, and I've checked on the chat box. There's no more question. Probably we can end our session for today, for this morning, Dr. Eddie. What do you think? If you
Okay,
have, okay.
I think we can collaborate even it with student in your campus, in university, and also I think we can collaborate in the next year. I think this is very good as Dr. Ervin.
Yeah. So just a announcement to the faculty members, especially the researchers. We do our UMS, University Malaysia Sabah. We have an ongoing MOA with Universitas Negeri Malang. Therefore, any collaborative within these 5 years MOA active is highly welcome. For those who wish to contact, you may probably direct through the Research Management Center UMS or directly contact with the Dr. Eddie for this topic. Okay, so yeah, Dr. Eddie, I'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to you for sharing your valuable insight and research with us today. So this will hopefully this presentation open new ideas and shed light on how AI, especially to the student, on how AI can create more inclusive communication channels for the hearing impairment community. And at the same time, I would like to thank the section of Research and Innovation FKI, as well as the research group, Data Technologies and Application Research Group, for organizing this seminar. Not forgetting the participant for your time, as well as engagement, your attention, as well as the technical team for ensuring a smooth session. For those who have attended, do not forget to sign in or record your attendance for whatever the IDP points. All right, so thank you very much again, Dr. Eddie, as well as the participant. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
and bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you.